Have you been struggling to differentiate between the supports that are needed to be in place for students and the actions that are needed to ensure those supports are actually in place? Have you been wondering about the effectiveness of those supports, but are unsure who is supposed to clarify that effectiveness? Where might you be recording actions that are not student specific in meetings? WeCollab clarifies the difference between actions and supports, as well as provides a space to record additional tasks. Selecting a support to assign to a student can be done from a drop-down menu. Choosing a support will automatically prompt the actions for the person or persons responsible to both initiate the support for the student and review the support for its effectiveness, with dates to be identified for the completion of each action. At the end of a meeting, WeCollab will ask, are there additional tasks to be completed that are not specifically connected to a student? If the answer is yes, the template has an area to input the task, who is responsible, and a date for when it will be completed. Schedule a conversation to learn more about the power of WeCollab.